Credit unions. Big enough to cope, small enough to care. Becky is worried. School starts in 3 weeks and she hasn't got money for Jason's uniform. And it's his birthday next week. Her friend Carly tells her about her local credit union, which she joined a couple of years ago. She pays in her child benefit each month and saves a small amount. She's even had a couple of loans, and they don't charge the earth in interest. Credit unions are community banks. Members save with them, and the money is borrowed by other members. It's all regulated, so your money is fully protected, just as it would be in a high street bank. The staff are friendly and helpful. They're all members too. This could be just what Becky needs, and joining is easier than you think. All you need is proof of your ID, like your passport or a letter from the DWP, plus a utility or council tax bill that's less than 3 months old. Thanks to their local credit union, Joan and Fred have spent the last 5 years seeing the world. Once upon a time, they didn't have savings and struggled to cope with unexpected bills. After years of relying on payday lenders, they finally discovered the credit union. Once they put enough by to cover minor emergencies, they took out a small loan for their first mini-break abroad. They've also opened a junior savings account for their eldest grandchild, Mia. Like them, she saves a bit of her pocket money each week and puts it into her account. Great habits learnt young. Joan and Fred are happy, knowing they're looking after their family's future. Megan and Kyle just got the keys to their first home. Joining their local credit union was Meg's idea. They'd been paying in whatever they could and now have saved enough to borrow money for a TV. They first saw the one they wanted in a pay-weekly store, but when Kyle did the maths, they realised how much it would cost them in the long run. Enter the credit union, with a great value loan that nearly halves the amount they pay. It's a no-brainer. Tom joined the credit union after getting into trouble with a loan shark. He'd needed to borrow £500 fast, and a fella down the pub said he could help. When Tom's work hours got cut and he couldn't meet repayments, that fella sent the heavies round. They followed him everywhere, and even threatened to kill his dog. Tom contacted the illegal money lending team, who explained that because the debt was illegal, he didn't owe any money. They prosecuted the loan shark, and Tom's debt was wiped. They also told him about the local credit union, which offers a safe way to save and borrow. Now things are looking up for Tom and his family. If your local credit union is just what you need, get in touch online, and remember, your money will be protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. If you or someone you know is involved with a loan shark, do what Tom did and call the Stop Loan Sharks 24-hour confidential hotline. They're waiting to help, and you don't have to leave your details if you don't want to. Tom would like to thank his local credit union and the England illegal money lending team. The team prosecutes loan sharks and puts them in jail. They also confiscate their ill-gotten gains and use them to pay for things like this video.